Hello and welcome to this video of number 87 Rosedale Crescent here in Earley. So what we have here is a 3-bedroomed end of terraced. You can see the wrought iron gated entrance to a drive, so it's got off-road parking. And just to give you an idea, Rosedale Crescent, it's basically a quiet little spot here just on the edge of Earley. And it's predominantly 3-bedroomed homes, 1 or 2 2-bedrooms as well. So let's take you inside and we'll show you around. You can probably see there is a side access just there, wrought iron gate at the side. I'll quickly show you the front garden. It's a hedge surround. And then let's now take you inside. So through the front door, we have doors to the left and right, which take you to the lounge and the dining room. Staircase in front, as you can see. So I'm going to start by going left into the lounge. So this dual aspect room, front and rear aspect. Now, when this property was initially built, this really was the lounge diner, so it could be used as a lounge diner again. But let's just focus on the lounge area. You see a front aspect window. The windows are UPVC double glazed sealed units. And we have a chimney breast with a focal point there. And just behind this TV and settee effectively would have been the dining area. So let's just walk through here. We've got sliding patio doors to the rear garden, which, quick peek at the rear garden for you, but as I will show you that afterwards. But this is the sort of the original dining area here. But this property's been altered, so we now have a separate dining room. So that simply makes this room really quite a good size lounge. Okay, let's make our way through into the kitchen. So the kitchen is at the rear of the house. Nicely fitted, modern units, as you can see, lots of work surface space. And UPVC double glazed rear aspect window there. The sink unit under the window, just to show you the view from the window again, very pleasant. And just spinning round, there's a door here taking you to an understairs storage cupboard. Full circle of the kitchen, and finally the gas-fired boiler, which is there. And this opens up into the dining room. So from the dining room, we've got a door here on the left taking you to the side access. You can see a window and a radiator there, and the door there is from the main entrance hall. So let me just step into this room and turn around just to show you how this links to the kitchen. Okay, so that is the ground floor of this property. So we'll now just make our way through to the hallway and back upstairs now to show you 3 bedrooms and the bathroom with a separate WC. So let's just start to my left-hand side here with the main bedroom. So this is front aspect window. We do have built-in wardrobes there just on the right-hand side. And also, I'm just going to step to one corner. There's another very deep built-in wardrobe there in the corner. That actually goes over the stairs. And the radiator under the window there. Okay, now the second bedroom. Again, as you can see on the right hand side here, we've got a built-in wardrobe. And then turning around, you'll see we've got a double bed in situ here. So this is rear aspect. This has a view into the rear garden there, which you can just about see. And then spinning round, there's that built-in wardrobe again. Okay, so that's bedroom 2. Now we move on to bedroom 3. This is actually really quite a good size room. Very often the 3rd bedroom on properties are maybe a bit of a box room, but this is certainly not, as you can probably see. So it's a front aspect window. I'm just going to step in here and turn around. Quite a bit of storage here, but a really good sized 3rd bedroom. So across here on the other side of the landing, we have to the right the bathroom, or actually the shower room as it is. Let me just quickly show you the WC. So it's a low level WC there, and there's a window at the back. And then across here we have the shower room. There's the pedestal wash basin there, and then a shower. This is in fact where, I'm just going to point downwards slightly, this is where the bath would have been, so plenty of room to refit a bath if you wanted to. But at the moment, a very big shower. Okay, so just reversing up here, just to show you the landing with pointing upwards, access to the loft space, and there is a window there, double A single unit window. Okay, so that is the first floor. Let's now make our way downstairs and I'll show you the rear garden. So from the lounge we have sliding patio doors onto the garden, and equally here from the dining room we've got this door taking you out to the side. So let me just point to the front first of all. There's the gate leading to the front, and then if I just spin round and I'll take you down this way to the rear garden. Now this really is quite a feature of this house, the rear garden. It's good size, really nice, very private as you can see. That's the rear of the house there. I'll take you for a quick wander along the garden. You can see at the end here we've got a rather large, well originally a summer house, but I think it's probably just used as a garden shed. And a little bit of land behind the shed. I'm going to spin round. Apologies about the sun, because the sun is going to be pointing right into the lens now. But hopefully that gives you an idea of the rear of this property. Yeah, a little bit difficult with the sun there, but certainly a garden that is it's quite a feature. So that just about concludes the tour of this property. So any inquiries, then any questions, please do give us a call. The number's on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask for me. Alternatively, it's the same telephone number to arrange a viewing appointment. And thanks for watching.